This is the station number 1 video. This is to go over those exponent rules, get them back. So basic radical simplifying, the short version of it is that no perfect square factors other than the number 1 are allowed under the radical sign to say it's simplified. So as I look at the square root of 45, I recognize that I can break that up because there is a perfect square factor that 45 has. If you look down your perfect square list, 9 is a factor of 45, and 9 is the biggest possible perfect square factor. 9 times 5 makes 45, so the square root of 9 times the square root of 5 is the square root of 45. Simplifying the part that we know has a whole number value, the square root of 9 is 3. The square root of 5 cannot be broken down anymore with perfect squares, and it is not a whole number, so it needs to stay under the radical sign. You're going to try the next one on your own. You're going to pause the video and only come back once you have as simplified as you think it can get. So pause right now. If you're back, it's to check that the square root of 128 can be broken down into the square root of 64 and the square root of 2. You may have used other perfect squares, but then that means your second radical will need to be broken down and simplified farther. So make sure that before you leave this station, you rework this one if you didn't get to 8 square roots of 2 and see the path that will get you there.